Hi guys, Joe here, Turtle Income, and I just want to quickly show you on how I would do my back testing. So for example, if I want to learn, because there are different strategies, right? And when you go through the course, you will learn the basic structures. So it's important to have the foundation right first, meaning to know your structures first. For example, your support and resistance, you know what is a higher high and higher low, because market structures will tell us how to actually enter our trade in the market sentiment. So you need to know whether is the market going up or the market going down or the market is ranging. So before you actually start on your back testing, if you have not, then I suggest you go through the online course, complete the online course first, and then you will start back testing strategies that you want. So for example, now I feel that I want to back test a scalping strategy. Okay, so what I'll do is I will go to the 15 minutes chart. Okay, for those who are not subscribed to TradingView, you are only able to backtest daily, weekly, and monthly. So I subscribe to it. So I can go to the 15 minutes chart and then I go to replay. So I will just zoom back out. Okay, I will not look at the screen right now. Okay, so I'm going to just choose a random area. I will not look at the screen and then I will just click on it. And then I will start looking at the screen and then I will start to analyze the chart. Okay, so what I'll see now, I'll tell myself that, okay, I can see immediately this is on the uptrend because the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then what I'll do for my support and resistance, I will first draw the top level. So I know this is the resistance area, the current higher high, and then I will go and do the support by price in this area. So like support and resistance, we draw an area, okay, and we do not consider any other things as yet, and just see how price goes. Okay, so I know it's an uptrend, but now price is rejecting this area, so I will wait and see what price will do next. So for now, I'm just concentrating on the 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just concentrating on the 15 minutes. I see that this is another minor support and resistance area. Okay, and then I'll just wait. And now price push forward. Okay, so what I'll do is, for me in this strategy, I will buy the breakout. Okay, I'll buy the breakout and then just go for 1%. And just go for 1%. Okay, so as you can see, risk reward ratio 1%. Okay, this is a strategy that I want to test out for scalping. Take 1% and get out of the market with a lower time frame of 15 minutes. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got my 1%. So what I'll do is I will write it down. If you have an Excel sheet, then you can write down in your Excel sheet as well. So I put one win, okay, over here. So I can keep track of it. So let's say we're gonna do 10 of this, yeah? So let's see now that price is kind of extended. So I'll wait again and see any form of rejection. Okay, so I see now that this is the current high. Okay, I just move my support and resistance. As you can see, we have this right now. Okay, so I'll just zoom in. So you can see price is following a level, which is good because we can see there's a structure, right? This is what I'm talking about, structure. High high, high low, high high, high low, and price goes through different levels. Okay, unless once it gets broken. Okay, but now we only have a buy bias because of a uptrend. Okay, so let's move on. Key price broke this area to show continuation to the upside, but I see this week here, I'm not too confident to go in, so I'll wait for the next candle. And true enough, price went down. Let's see what happens next. So just wait, because now I know this is the new high. This is the new low. Okay, so we've got a new support and resistance, and the structure changes, and you just keep on moving your support and resistance to the current market. And now price is ranging that area. Let's see what it does. Okay, we can be, I'm thinking of being aggressive now because price is rejecting this. And maybe from here, because price is ranging, price will go up around this area, but will it manage to push? I don't know. I can be aggressive, and let's try to be aggressive because we already have 1% in the back. This will be a very tight stop loss because I want to try the scalping strategy, and I'm only taking 1%. 1% for 0.99, somewhere there. Let's see if price breaks. Yep. So we got 2 wins now. So I just record it down. So we are 2% up for the 2 wins. Okay, so this is what I'll do. Okay, although I say I'm back testing this, I have another account just to so-called scalp the market, and I usually would scalp on the pre-New York session. Pre-New York session, if it's in Singapore, it's about 5:30 p.m. But I will go in at about 6:30 p.m. Why? Because that's where there's more volume. So for scalping, I need to have more volume, so price will move in a way, have to push the price. If not, then if you compare to the Asian session, it will be quite slow. Okay, so this is how I do my scalp. So let's continue. Price push down. Let's see if price managed to hold on to support to push price forward, and looks like, yeah, price is respecting now this current resistance then support. But will I go in yet? Let's see. Okay, guys, just gonna move it here. This is a current high. Remember to put the current high. Let's go move on. Nope, not yet, not yet. Price showing down. Okay, price is going down now. I'll not enter the market as yet. Showing rejection. Okay. So I'm just going to be waiting right now. Okay, price is trying to push up again after rejecting this area over here. Is it enough to push the price upwards? I think we could try to go for the 1% here. Okay, so as you can see in this strategy, I do not wait for any break and retest compared to other swing trading strategy in a higher time frame, because in 15 minutes time moves quite fast. So it looks like price is rejecting that area. Let's see if price could go up. So we just press the forward. Price is ranging. Yep, we got our another 1%. So that is 3 wins at 3%. Just by following the market structure. Right, guys? As you can see from here, I just follow what the candle is showing me. Okay, if it's a bullish kind of candle, as you can see why I entered this area here because of this candle. Okay, usually in a longer time frame, we will wait for confirmation, but I did not wait because I know this is a bullish candle. Okay, it's a strong candle. So in 15 minutes, I was confident that, not say confident, there is a higher probability that price will push upwards again. Okay, so now we are at 3%. So this is a new higher high. So let's see. The price still pushing forward. Okay, so I'm going to just move my support and resistance. Okay, just follow the structure. As you can see, guys, it's all about the structure. That's why I say you need to complete the online course to see the structure itself. Okay, so this is the new high. Okay, let's see where will this take us. Okay, so just see where the price will go. This is continuous uptrend. See if price will break. There's a bullish candle rejecting, but I'm not that confident to take any trade as of now. I want to see price breaks here with a strong candle. For example, like this one, right? There's a strong candle piercing through the resistance before I enter the trade. Now there's a strong candle pushing downwards. Do I have a sell yet? Nope. Let's wait for candle. And you can see the candle in this area here, kinds of rejecting, price push down, price in a way retest this previous support, now turn resistant. So I can see that there is a new support and a new support form here, but I will wait. Okay, price tries to push, but price tries to pull back. So in real life market situation, I'm in a 15 minutes time frame. I will always wait for the candle to close. And price did push down. Okay, I will not enter as yet because I will then take a look at my left as to see why is there a rejection because of this area here. Okay, there's a previous support. So we also look at the left-hand side and see where will price bring us. And true enough, it rejected that area. And now there is a bearish candle. This is a kind of an engulfing bearish candle. So I am considering a sell, but I want to see a little bit of retracement because this area here, there's a lot of so-called support and resistance that is happening. Let's wait for one more candle. Price is rejecting the area. Price rejecting the area. I'm not too confident to take the sell as yet, guys. And true enough, it got pushed back up. So basically, why I wasn't confident because of the candle formation, right? So the candle tells us the whole story. As you can see, even this is a rejection. Even though that I see a rejection over here. Oh, sorry. Even though I see a rejection over here with a long wick candle pushing the price down, showing there are sellers in the market. At the same time, there's not enough to push it down further through the support area. And even for this candle, it's kind of indecisive. As you can see, it's in the middle. And then there's long wick here and the long wick here. So it shows indecision in the market. So I wasn't too confident. But now I know this area here is a strong resistance, right? Because of the multiple wicks. So can we enter as yet? No, I'll wait for one more candle. Let's see. Okay, price trying to push up now. Even though we see rejection, we just wait. And price shows a bullish reaction. Okay, so what we do now is, because we want to have a clearer view, let's clear. And then let's draw a new support and resistance area here. I know, let's see how price will react here. True enough, price rejected this area. Okay, so this is how I analyze step by step. So price showing rejection over at this area. So this would be my support. So I just draw an area. Okay, just draw an area, keeping it clean, because now if you just zoom out, you see what is it forming. See this an area of resistance. And then we see this area here as well. So it might be a ranging market. So you need to identify that maybe now it's going to turn into a ranging market. So let's see what happens next. Just wait, just wait. Okay, just extend this. And now we shall see. Okay, I'm going to draw a minor support here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a sell stop. If price were to reject and reach this area, then I'm going to take a sell for a 1%. If you're confident, you can also put up to the lowest, the support area. But let's see how this goes. So I'm waiting for price to reach this area with a sell stop. So if price hit here, then my price is being automatically triggered. If not, then there's no position taken. As you can see, there's no position taken as price pierced through upwards. Wait, where's my 3% win just now? Okay, so price pierced through upwards. Down, we see how a price, I will wait for, hopefully there's a retest. Nope, price just push forward. It's kind of like a parabolic move to the upside. Let's see now. Okay, so we're gonna draw our resistance area. Okay, there's no clear support at the moment, so I'll wait and see where price will reject. Okay, there we have it. This is current support area, and we'll see if price is able to break. Okay, price is able to break, but as you can see from the wick here, this might be the new resistance. So let's wait. Okay. Oh, should have taken a buy stop there, but let's see how this goes. Okay, this is a new area, but at the same time, it's rejecting the price below. So you can, I'm thinking of putting a buy stop here, meaning if price hit or reach this area, then we could go get our position automatically taken. So let's see. So price did not go up. Price did not hit our buy stop. So we just move on and see how price will develop right now. So far we are up by 3%. Oh, price shows a rejection there. Let's see the next candle. Price shows a bearish candle. We know this is another area here, another level here. Let's wait for one more candle. Price rejecting that area. Price pushing back up again. I'm still do not see any clear sign of taking any position at the moment. Okay, so we just wait. Okay, price showing. Okay, so always to have a clear view of the whole situation, you can just remove your drawing again, just zoom out. No, just zoom out and see where is the market going. Okay, where is the market going? So high, high, low, high, got stop out here and here. Okay, so we can just draw this area. Can draw this area. Okay, and just wait. And price rejected that area. And see what happens next. And price pushing down this area here. So I will wait for one more candle for confirmation. And that's the candle. If I'm going to enter here, my stop loss will be quite high. So I need to have a tight stop loss over here. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. Price is trying to retest. Still have yet to touch our stop loss. Okay, so we are taken out. So where's mine? So basically just now we had 3 wins. We had 3 wins and 1 loss. Okay, so 3 wins is 3%, 1 loss is 1%, so we are at 2%. Okay, so that's how you would do it. Okay, so I think you have a clear understanding of how to follow structures, back test your strategy. Doesn't have to be this strategy, guys. This is just what I would usually do to back test. And for so-called, in a way, scalping, I'll just go for 1%. Risk 1%. Risk management is still the same. Market structure is still the same. Okay, and usually for this kind of cases, in a day, I'll start with the pre-New York session, which is about 5:30, 6:30 p.m. I'll start about 6:30 p.m. Singapore time, which is 6:30 p.m. EST. And then once I got 2%, usually I would call it a day. Okay, so yeah, so this is just an example. You can try your own back testing. Okay, even you can do up to 100 trade challenge, right? To see what would be your rate of returns, how successful, the probability of your strategy. It doesn't have to be 100%. No way you're going to be 100%. Even if it's 50%, even if 50% you are profiting because you only risk 1%. Right? You are only risking 1%. So, yep, that's it. I hope this is useful on how I slowly see market structure. And till then, if you have any question, feel free to ask me. And don't forget to complete the online course. And yeah, I'll see you again. Take care. Goodbye.